Good evening and welcome to my inn. Good evening and welcome to my inn. Good afternoon, welcome to my inn. Good afternoon, welcome to my inn. Good morning and welcome to my inn. Good morning and welcome to my inn. Hope the day's treated you well. Hopefully the day's gone by okay. It looks like you need a place to stay. Welcome. You found the right place. It looks like you need some rest. Well, you've come to the right place. We have quiet rooms, warm beds, and a nice fireplace to keep everybody cozy all night long. I hope the adventuring is treating you well. Hopefully you've been keeping away from all the goblins and orcs. Hopefully you've been keeping away from all the undead. Nasties out there. The world's full of so many nasties anymore. I like being here in my nice little cozy inn. Safest place to be at night. There'll be breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and supper in the evening. Sometimes we have second breakfasts, second lunches, and second suppersies. How about a nice warm cup of tea? How about a nice warm cup of tea? Boy, that weather is dreadful out there, isn't it? Boy, the weather is dreadful out there, isn't it? Well, thanks for the pay. You won't be sorry. We'll see you around. Have a good evening. Safe travels. Enjoy the night. Don't let the monsters bite. Watch out for those dragons. Watch out for those orcs. Watch out for those kobolds. Watch out for those goblins. Watch out for those icky undead. How about a little coffee? How about some nice warm milk? A cup of water, maybe? Have some bread on the house. Thank you. Come again.